Welcome to day 3 of this 10-day Beatles Guitar Challenge, where today we're looking at Eleanor Rigby. This can be played as a simple 2-chord version, but we're going to be looking at some simple chord embellishments. There'll be some bonus material on the website, including how to play the melody. The link to that is at the top of the description, but grab your guitar, join me, let's learn this fantastic song. Eleanor Rigby can be played with 2 simple chords, C major and E minor. And that is how the intro is played. I look at all the lonely people. I look at all the lonely people. Remember, for that C major chord, place your fingers down 1, 2, 3, but have them on an angle. Not like this, it's an easier stretch. Keep your elbow into the side, fingers really curled over. 1, 2, 3, and you can keep the middle finger down when we go to the E minor, and there are 2 chords to be able to play the bulk of this song. There are 3 sections to this song that each repeat one after the other. We can do a different strumming pattern for each section to jazz this up a little bit, so that intro can be played with on the beat strumming 1, 2, 3, 4, nice and easy, or down, down, up, down, the most common strumming pattern ever. So if you haven't got this one yet, here's the trick. Keep your arm moving, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, but strum down, down, up, down. It sounds more natural if you hit the thicker strings on the down strums and the thinner strings on the up strums. So this is really just a slight movement or a slight twist of the wrist, and this starts to happen naturally, but only very slightly. It sounds like this. That is that intro. Look at all the lonely people. But if you struggle, just 1, 2, 3, 4 on the beat is absolutely fine. It's 2 bars of the C, 2 bars of the E minor for that intro section or Lonely People section. Verse 1, Eleanor Rigby picks up the rice in the church where the wedding has been, starts on E minor, then goes to C and then goes back to E minor. We may wish to keep that strumming pattern going. 3 bars to a C, lives in a dream. The tricky bit is that last part where we have 2 beats per chord. So lives in a dream as the vibe. Eleanor Rigby picks up the rice in a church where the wedding has been, lives in a dream. We may want to, especially from there, do just strummings on the beat, but with a mute. Strum and then silence. Waits at the window, wearing the face that she keeps in the jar by the door. Who is it for? And then we get to the chorus section. This can be played all on E minor. All the lonely people, where do they all come from? All the lonely people, where do they all belong? However, the chord embellishments that we can add to this, if we play the E minor with middle 2 fingers like this, where we can play a rock hand, the devil horns, we can add in the little finger for an E minor 7. Little finger slides to the 2nd fret. And then to the 1st, and then the 2nd. So what's happening is we're holding down an E minor, but the 2nd string is playing fret 3, 2, 1, 0. All the lonely people, where do they all come from? The strumming for that section can again be down, down, up, down, or just on the beat 4 strums. Or let's play this through nice and slowly together. If you struggle at all, just go for 1 strum per chord and follow the chord sheet that I'll link to in the description below. or just go on the beat. Anytime I'm doing any fancier strumming, just stick to 1, 2, 3, 4 on the beat and add the embellishments as you come back to this, as you practice, and as you feel ready. Let's go from the very top, which starts on a C major chord. Ready from the C major chord, in 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at all the lonely people. They keep that going. And we stay on E minor now for verse 1. Eleanor Rigby picks up the rice in the church where the wet C major. C, C, E, E waits at the window, wearing the face that she keeps in the jar by the door. Who is it for? All the lonely people. Where do they all come from? All the lonely people. Where do they all belong? Back to the verse. C major. Ah, look at all the lonely people. Ah, look at all the lonely people. And on E minor. And that's how to play Eleanor Rigby. I hope that went well for you. If not, you can always revisit this in your later days of practice. When you're ready, you can go onto the website and find some free bonus videos, including how to play some embellishments for this one, how to play the melody and other parts of this fantastic song. But in the next video in this series, we'll be looking at day 4. Well, we'll be looking at another great Beatles song that we can play on acoustic guitar. When that video is up, I'll leave a link just here. More helpful links in the description below. Hope this course is going really well for you guys. Let me know how this course is going in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.